Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Freshia and welcome to the Dream Team family. Hello. So today I'm taking you guys to another new place, which is Souk Waqif. So please subscribe if you've not already and stay tuned in until the end of the video. I promise you will enjoy. Let's go. Waqif, here we are. So as we always start, I want to let you guys know how you can get to Souk Waqif before I explain anything further than that. So Souk Waqif, you can get here by train, you can get by taxi, you can get by an Uber or even a personal drive. It is located in Doha, the state of Qatar, and the souk is noted for selling traditional garments, handicrafts, the souvenirs, and all those things about Qatar. So it is also a home of dozen restaurants. It has very many restaurants. So be sure that whenever you are here, you have something to eat and you have somewhere to eat. So as you can all see in the video, we have very many items, and mind you, all these things are made here in Qatar. There are very many things that you can buy when you want gifts. Maybe you visited Qatar, maybe you want to buy gifts for, like souvenirs to take to your people back at home. It is always available in the Souk Waqif. So something else is that this souk was it was there back in the old years, like 100 years ago, but it was renovated back in 2006 to conserve its traditional Qatari architectural style. So it is also often perceived like the only lasting area in Doha that retains their architecture and cultural style. So this area is very popular both to the locals and also to the immigrants. Mostly on weekends you'll find that they are having very many offers in the restaurants, with the offers in the souvenirs, offers in things that they are selling, and so it's an amazing place to be. Touching on a little history about this place, it is this souk is considered one of the best locations for tourists within Doha. That is right, and thousands of people from across the region frequenting the like most of them come here to purchase traditional goods. It also hosts art galleries, events, and local concerts. Also, something very interesting is that yearly it has a spring festival around April that hosts very many theoretical, acrobatics, and musical performances, and an event that features wrestlers. Another one like Souk Waqif Storm attracted to most spectators. So yeah, that is another good information about this place. So far, I hope you are enjoying this view. I hope you're enjoying the tour to the souk, and I really hope that you guys will comment on the comment section box how you love this place. So as we continue, this is the outside part of it. In fact, this place is very huge. Trust me, you cannot even exhaust the whole place when you come here. So you must have like a whole day to move around this place. So this place is divided in different like section. It has like clothes section, it has ornament section, it has souvenir section. It has very many items that are related to Qatar, to the Qatari culture. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video as we continue. Also, the music is lighting it up. I know you guys are really having fun in this video. So also, when you see something here and you feel like you want to comment or you want to ask a question about it, just go to the comment section, just ask me anything about the place and I will definitely answer you the question. So let us continue enjoying. Please stay tuned in until the end of the video. It has an amazing view for you guys to see. It has amazing places for you guys to see that you should go and visit this place. And for those who have never been here, please enjoy the ride, okay? Please enjoy the tour. You'll feel that like you are in this place in person by the time you're ending this video. So yeah, let's continue. Another important thing that I realized I should mention is that these items are very affordable. It is not everything that is on the same cost, but they are very affordable. Like for instance, this one is only 50 riyals. We have other places that has for 40 riyals. We have 30 riyals, different items for 20 riyals, and you'll take a souvenir to your country. You'll take a souvenir, a gift to your family members, and trust me, this is the cheapest place that you can get these items at. So, and also this is the place that you're guaranteed that this thing is really made here in Qatar. I love this place. I will make sure that whenever I'll be leaving this place for the last time for good, I will have like a shopping list of these items, so you guys can see how they have decorated things. Like cheap things become so expensive, and it is so beautiful. You can see all these items, all these handicrafts, all these magnetic things on the door. I love Qatar. So let us continue enjoying the video, and I hope you guys are still commenting under the comment section, and by the time you're finishing this video, please share it. Remember, sharing is caring. So we are heading to another part of the souk. Souk is market, if I have not mentioned that. Souk is another name of market here in Qatar. So we are heading to the other side of it, and this is the outside part. You'll get the same things but different shops, very many different shops. Also, you'll get that you'll find the restaurants. We are heading now to the restaurant area, but keep in mind that the restaurants, it's not like they are located in one place. No, they are sparse. They are like in different places, but where we're heading at we'll be seeing a few restaurants. And so yeah, be sure that when you're here also, Qatari food is really available here. So let's continue enjoying the video. If you have reached until this far of this video, I really love you from the bottom part of my heart. And now I want you guys to come with me in this place that I'm about to go in. And there is one thing I want you guys to do. So this place, as you can see it from outside, it looks kinda, not so weird, but kinda, I don't know if you get it. So I want us to go inside and look at that place and tell me what is in your mind. What do you think that this place looks like? So you can see from the outside, it's like a tiny house with so many ornaments, with so many traditional stuff, handcrafts. Let's go inside and tell me how this shop looks like. So go to the comment section if you are this far and tell me, how does this place looks like to you? You know, there are those places from where I come from. There are those traditional places like small houses, like shrines that has all this traditional stuff. You can see that like there is like a goat or sheep cover hangs there. You see there are these like small bells hang there. So let's go to the comment section and say what you think about this place. So for me, you already know. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. And so it got to a place where the sun set and told us, bruh, it's late and you should go back home. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Remember, sharing is caring. Share the video, and remember, always be positive and spread good vibes. Bye.